So easy. Mother. Hi, my sweetheart. I noticed you have been experimenting in the kitchen lately. How about I teach you how to cook rice perfectly today? Daughter. That sounds great. Mom, I have always admired how to make fluffy and delicious rice every time. I would love to learn your secret, Mother. Well, it's not really a secret, but there are a few steps to follow for perfect rice. First, let's start by measuring the rice and water. Usually, the ratio is 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. How many servings do you want to make? Daughter, I think 2 servings would be enough for now. So, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water, right? Mother, that's correct. Now, let's rinse the rice. Pour the rice into a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This steps helps remove excess starch and ensures the grains cook evenly. Daughter, got it, mom. I will rinse the rice thoroughly. What next? Mother, next we will cook the rice. Take a medium sized pot and add the rinsed rice and 2 cups of water. You can also add a pinch of salt for flavor if you would like. Now cover the pot with a tight fitting lid. Daughter, should I bring the water to a boil first and then reduce the heat? Mother, exactly. Place the pot on the stove over high heat until the water comes to a rolling boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice to absorb the water and cook gently. Daughter, how do I know when it's done? Mom, mother, good questions. After the simmering time, turn off the heat but keep the lid on. Let the rice sit undisturbed for another 5 to 10 minutes. This is called the resting period and allows the rice to steam, resulting in a fluffy texture. Once the resting time is up, fluff the rice gently with a fork and it's ready to serve. Daughter, it seems simple enough, Mom. I am excited to try it out. Is there anything else I should keep in mind while cooking rice? Mother, absolutely. Two key points to remember are never lift the lid during cooking or resting time as it disrupts the steaming process, and always measure the water accurately for the desired texture. Overcooking and undercooking the rice can affect its taste and texture. Daughter, thank you so much for sharing your wisdom. Mom, I can't wait to cook perfect rice like you do. I am sure this knowledge will come in handy in future. Mother, you are welcome, my sweetheart. Cooking rice is a valuable skill, and it's great to see you talking, taking an interest in it. Remember, practice makes perfect. I am here if you have any more questions or need further guidance. Enjoy your rice cooking adventure.